Hi Hari,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Hariprasad, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Hariprasad, introduce yourself and about your college and native.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Maddirala Reddy from. I am from Raichoti, ma'am. I completed my graduation in Siddharth Institute of Science and Technology. After that, I joined in CMTI, ma'am, by my friend's reference. And I am joined in IDM plus BIM course in CMTI, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Like as you told, like you have joined for interior designing management, right? What are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
new topics you have learned?
Yes, ma'am. I learned a lot of things from this institute, ma'am. SketchUp, AutoCAD, Revit, and BIM softwares, ma'am. In that, I also learned a lot of from interior design, ma'am. That seats, types of seats, all about the interior.
Okay, Hari. Like for which mode you have joined, like offline or hybrid or online? For which mode you have
I choose an online hybrid, ma'am.
hybrid mode? Okay, like how was the daily schedules were updated for you? Like how you used to get the sessions, timings and all? How the coordinator supported you?
Yes, ma'am. I got the good coordination support, ma'am. Every faculty members are teach very well, ma'am. And the SketchUp and everything they told is very good, ma'am. I understand easily, ma'am, what they told.
Okay. Like how about your site visits and showroom visit, where all you have covered and what you have learned from the practical knowledge?
Yes, ma'am. I have visited more than 8 site visits, ma'am. IKEA, Inframarket, IBO, like this, my material depot. Uh, I I learned a lot of things in that site visits, ma'am. How to design interior works and how to design 2 BHK, like this all I learned from that visits, ma'am.
Okay, Hari. Like how was your interview preparation? How you prepared for your interview?
Yes, ma'am. In my institute, faculty members also prepared very well to gain, ma'am. To prepare interview, ma'am. They told how to attend the interview and how to crack that interview. Yes, ma'am.
Like for which role you have selected now?
Site in there, ma'am.
Okay, like how was your interview procedure?
In site engineer, first of all, I want to go site and take the measurements, and using that measurements, I want to design and to submit that my company, ma'am. And also I want to prepare BOQ, ma'am, bill of quantities also, ma'am. This is my role, ma'am, in that Vishnu.
Okay, Hariprasad. Like I think you're happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your placement and about CMTI Institute?
Yes, ma'am. I will tell to them also, ma'am, to join. This is very good institute, and where we want to increase my skills. This all are gained from this institute.
Okay, Hariprasad. Like thank you for your feedback.
Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future, Hariprasad.
Thank you, ma'am.